G'day guys, Gordon from Blue Tongue Industries. Wanted to talk a new gizmo or gadget to the accessory range, and that's remote control start. So I wanted to show you, we're going to set up a GX200 and just run you through it. But if you have a GX Honda 630, 690, which are quite common in the pressure cleaning field, you're able to add a remote start if you obviously have key start, and that's simply breaking into the wiring circuit, simple plug and play technology to allow a remote control, which can be in your pocket or on a lanyard, to start and stop your pressure cleaning or soft washing equipment. The dilemmas, the fors and against, so if you have or working away from your equipment and you start the system, the RPM is set. So the system will fire up and sit at that set RPM during that start procedure and that operation. So as far as I can see, that's the only dilemma with setting this up. But if you're working on roofs or if you're running long lengths of hoses, to be able to remotely start and stop your equipment, and when you do go for a start, if you depress the trigger on a soft wash piece of equipment, whether that's pressure cleaning or soft wash, that'll give that a bit of a soft start. Let's run you through the GX200. So simple plug and play technology. The two power wires, positive and negative, we're finding a good ground on the system. The positive is going back to the battery on the P40, and we've only just preliminary hook this system up to show you guys, so please ignore the spaghetti mess we have on the ground here. So if you're running a soft wash skid like that over there, it needs to be key start to start with, and here in Australia so far, key start is really the only way we like to go on our soft wash P40 Honda combinations. So a little Honda GX200 on this particular system. So if you are running the 630 and 690, it'll be a same setup, but it does need to be key started. So once we've connected the system up, there's a red and blue wire which we're actually breaking into the wiring in the circuitry, and there'll be self-explanatory notes on that showing you how to connect your particular system when you receive it. So all these particular items will be available shortly. I'll drop links below on these particular items. Do check out all our other videos on YouTube under Blue Tongue Industries, and all these parts and what you may even see in the background you can pick up on our website under bluetongueindustries.com.au. So 2-position remote, and you often see these remotes on our manual flush systems on the back of our proportioners with our soft wash equipment. So we know that they're a great remote, and we get quite long range out of these particular systems. So even with the P40 I mentioned before, if we go for a remote start, the RPM is going to be set. So depress the trigger to give it a soft start, but the system is going to spool up to that particular RPM. So we'll go for a physical start. There's no fuel in this particular system, it's fully oil, but I just wanted to show you how it turns over. So you would turn the ignition on. From the remote control, we turn the ignition on through AB, or the A button on the remote control. We hit the B button to start it. We'll hold the B button until the system starts. The system's not going to start because we don't have any fuel in it. And then to stop it, we hit the A button again. So quite simple and quite ingenious with this idea of modifying your particular current system to remote start application. Once again, Gordon at Blue Tongue Industries. Hope you've enjoyed this video, and check out the links below, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks guys.